First, open the settings in the upper right corner, then select Projection Setting. Then select Forward Projection and Reverse Projection, according to the installation situation. And carry out trapezoidal correction or quadrilateral correction.